Puppy! Puppy, we're going park. What are you doing? What are you doing, Go park? Oh, go park. Go park, baby girl. Today we are taking our two doggies on a little adventure day. While we go to the dog park multiple times a week and we take them walking several times a day, we like to take our doggies out to do something fun and different a couple times a month. Primarily because it's really good for them, but also because I would rather be with my dogs at all possible times. I just love them so much. We like to start our day at a local off-leash dog park because this gives them both the opportunity to run around freely, get lots of sniffs in, release some energy, and hopefully spend some time with their friends. Pudgey especially loves to run, so the off-leash parks are always a highlight of his day. He does that. I honestly could watch our dogs play all day long. It is one of the most calming and peaceful experiences I've ever had. We stopped to grab some snacks from 7-Eleven and spotted Poppy through the window watching us from the car. Hey, Bucky boy. You ready to go adventure? Let's go beach. Let's go beach, buddy. This, in my opinion, was the perfect beach day because while it was sunny and warm, it was overcast, so it never got too toasty, which is always nice for our dogs too because I don't have to worry as much about them getting overheated or sunburnt. Puck has been near the ocean before, but this was his first time really interacting with it, and it's so adorable to see him learning and figuring out what the ocean really is. He also loved running and bouncing around in the sand. I think that the soft texture got him extra excited. Pudgey, come in. What do you think? Come in. Let's go. Bless you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Becky. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
doing my part. Every time we go to the beach, we always look for trash to pick up. Before we get started on lunch, I do want to wipe our dogs down a little bit. Sand can get into their eyes and their nose and cause some health issues. Also, just don't really want them eating it. We like to use these Vibrant Life wipes. They work really well for us. We'll use them after the park sometimes too if their paws get really muddy. They're not the biggest fans of being wiped down, but it's for their own good. We are trying these new treats that we just picked up from Disembark over the weekend, so we'll see how they like them.
Gentle. Gentle. Okay, kind of. Not totally. Poppy, come. Here you go, sweetheart.
Okay, let's find out where you are from. What do you call these? And drop a comment down below and let me know. After we had lots of fun playing at the beach and enjoying our lunch, we jumped in the car and drove over to Lanikai Juice, which is one of our favorite post-beach snacks. They have really yummy acai bowls and smoothies. I ended up getting a monkey bowl, and I saved some bananas on the side without any topping to share with the doggies for afterwards. Thanks for joining us today, and if you would like any additional tips for adventuring in Hawaii with your dogs or taking them to the beach, let me know down below and I'll be happy to make more videos about this.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Oh my gosh, I'm so weird.